Welcome back to this series on MATLAB. I am Pankaj Patil and in this video we are going to work on logical operators. So let's get started.
So in this video we are going to work on logical operators that are logical and logical or logical and with short circuiting, logical or with short circuiting, logical not. So let's see how they work in truth table. So when we have conditions like this, so not of x, when we have false then it gives true, when we have true then it gives false, and x and y means when condition first and second both are false then false, false and true false, true and false false, true and true true. So when we have true then true and true gives true, and x or y, so when you have false and false then give false, otherwise gives true. So let's try some examples of logical operator. So when we have tilde 1, so it gives 0, means not true gives false and not false gives true. So when we have not tilde 3, so it gives 0, not minus 3, it again gives 0. You can try any number, so it gives false. So let's try 1 ampersand 1, means true and true, so it gives true, true and false, 1 and 0 gives false, 0. So let's try 1 or 1, so it again gives true or true is true. So let's try true or false, 1 bar 0 gives 1. So let's try false bar false, means false or false, 0 bar 0 gives 0, false or false is false. So let's try x equal to 2 and y equal to 5, and suppose y is greater than x and x plus 3 equal to y. So it gives 1, means y is greater than x is true and x plus 3 equal to y is also true. So true and true gives true. So now let's try tilde y is greater than x or tilde x plus 3 equal to y. So it gives 0, means true not true is false and not true is also false, false or false is false. So now let's try these operations with matrix. So we have a equal to 1 1 1 1, that is 1 by 4 matrix, and b equal to 1 2 3 4, it is also 1 by 4 matrix. So let's try some operation with that matrix. So tilde, what is tilde, means not a, so it gives matrix of 0 zeros, and tilde b it also gives matrix of 0 0. You can try tilde with any numbers, that gives not false. So now let's try a divided by b is greater than or equal to 0 and b is greater than a, so it gives 0 1 1. So at first position it is false. So here it is not greater than, b is not greater than a, both of them are equal. So let's try A by B greater than or equal to 0 bar B is greater than A. So it gives all matrix of 1 1, means all conditions are true. So when we have any condition is true, so it gives true. When we have false or true, gives true at first point. So now let's see. So when we use short circuiting, so if you know short circuiting evaluation, means when we have false and false, then it gives false, and false and true, it also gives false. It means first condition, when we have first condition is false, then it gives false. So short circuiting like act as smart. So it gives, when we have first condition is false, so it gives directly false. There is no need to evaluate it. And in X or Y also, when we have true as a first condition, then it gives true. So for short circuiting, or it is also act as smart. So there is no need to evaluate with another condition when we have first condition is true. So let's see examples of short circuiting logical operators. So we have A equal to 2 and B equal to 3. So let's try A divided by B is greater than or equal to 0. Short circuiting, for short circuiting we use double ampersand, and A tilde B means A is not equal to B. I forget to give 0. So it gives 1. So both conditions are true, then it gives 1. Short circuiting operators are used for saving our memory and time. It works as smart and it saves our time. So let's try. A is greater than or equal to 0. Double bar means short circuiting OR, and B is greater than or equal to 0. So it gives 1. When both conditions are true, then it gives true. Means true or true, this gives true. So I hope you liked video, and if you have any doubt, then comment in comment section, and see you in next video.